Here I have Google Pixel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly, you can select your language. I'll just stay with English, then tap Start. Then you can connect to the mobile network by inserting SIM card, but if you don't have SIM card on you, you can just skip this step and do this anytime later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around you can just skip this step for now and do this anytime later. Then you have to set up your date and time. Then you have these Google services. If you want them, just leave them, but I suggest you to disable them all. But in any case, you will have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up your fingerprint, but you can also do this anytime later in settings and skip this step for now. Then you can set up your screen lock, and the same as the previous step, you can just skip it and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. And your device will be ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.